Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sudoku, step by step. Let's begin by understanding the game board. A standard Sudoku puzzle is played on a large grid, measuring 9 cells by 9 cells, which gives us a total of 81 individual cells. This main grid is further subdivided into 9 smaller, distinct 3x3 boxes. Your ultimate objective is to fill every single one of these 81 cells with a digit from 1 to 9. Now that you know the grid layout, let's dive into the 3 fundamental rules that govern Sudoku. First, every single row across the 9x9 grid must contain all the digits from 1 to 9, with no repetitions. Second, each of the 9 vertical columns must also feature every digit from 1 to 9, again, without any duplicates. And third, within each of the 9 smaller 3x3 boxes, the digits 1 through 9 must appear exactly once. With the rules in mind, let's explore how to start filling the grid. Begin by scanning the rows, columns, and 3x3 boxes for numbers that are easy to place. Often, you'll find a cell where, by checking its row, column, and box, only one digit from 1 to 9 can possibly fit. This is called a naked single. Systematically using this process of elimination will help you confidently place your first few numbers. As puzzles become more challenging, you'll need advanced techniques. One powerful method is pencil marking, where you lightly note all possible candidate numbers in each empty cell. Then, look for patterns like hidden singles, where a number can only go in one cell within a row, column, or box, or naked pairs, 2 numbers that can only fit in 2 specific cells. Remember, consistent practice and patience are your best tools for mastering Sudoku.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.